Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn document types in purchasing. And in the second video, we will learn how these item categories and account assignment categories are related in purchasing. And in the third video, we will create a new document type ZNB for purchase acquisition by copying from a standard document type NB. And also we will make sure that only subcontracting items are allowed for this newly created document type, and only internal number assignment is possible with certain number range. And also we will make sure that the field requisitioner is a mandatory input field when we create a purchase acquisition with this newly created document type. And we will test this new document type ZNB by creating a purchase acquisition, and also make sure that all the settings whatever we have done are working fine. So now let us start our video with the topic of document types in purchasing. We know that whenever we create any purchasing document like purchase acquisition, purchase order, contract, etc., we have to use some document type to create it. For example, document type NB to create a standard purchase order, document type UB to create a stock transport order. No. So, below is the configuration path to define the document type for various purchasing documents like purchase acquisition, purchase order, contract, scheduling agreement, etc. For example, let us go to this IMG here. For example, here, if we go to this IMG, material management, purchasing, see, let us take for example RFQ. Okay, expand this RFQ. We can see here this defined document types. Okay, this is the path. I'm showing the path actually. We will go into details. Purchase acquisition also we have the defined document types here. Then purchase order also we have. Okay, defined document types you can see here. Okay, so it is also there for contracts as well as scheduling agreement also. Okay, so this is the configuration path for all the purchasing document types, purchasing documents. Okay, now let me go back to my here. See, this document type has its own control parameters. Okay, what does it control? The first thing it controls is which item categories are allowed. Then the second thing is which preceding documents are allowed. Then the third one is the number range and the type of number assignment. And the fourth one is the field selection. These four are the important control parameters of document types. We will see this one just in the next pages. We will go into details of this. Okay, so for example, let me open the document types of the configuration of document types of purchase acquisition. Okay, let me go to here this SPRO here. For example, here let me open the purchase acquisition. Okay, here I will open this document types of purchase acquisition. For example, okay, so this column is very big. I will just make it short here. Okay, so let me go back to the document here. My document here. So what does the document type control? The first thing the document type controls is which item categories are allowed. For example, here I will show you this one here. You select this, take up this document type NB, which is a purchase acquisition standard. Okay, here select this one and double click on allowed item categories. I can see on the left side. Double click on allowed item categories. Here, we can see this one. So here, these item categories are allowed when we create a purchase acquisition of document type NB, which is a standard purchase acquisition. What are the item categories allowed? The first thing is blank, which is standard. Then the second item category is K, which is consignment. Third is L, means contracting. Fourth is S, which is third party. Fifth is U, which is stock transfer. And the last one is service. So we can, use these item categories. Okay, when we create a purchase acquisition of document type NB. Okay, the first thing is allowed item categories. Okay, let me go back to my document. Second thing is which preceding documents are allowed, like from a purchase acquisition of document type NB. Okay, so what document type PO we can create. Okay, and PR is the here PR is the preceding document and PO is the follow-on document. That means by using what document type of a purchase acquisition, what document type PO I can create. That is the meaning here. Okay. Means which preceding document are allowed. Means which preceding document types are allowed. Create the follow-on documents in simple explanation. Okay. Next, the number of item numbers in the purchasing document. So here, so where is that one here? So let me go back to the see here. Here, okay. Let me just expand a little bit. Here, see item number interval here. I can see here. See, this is item number interval. Okay, what is this one? This is 10. 10 means, for example, what is this item number interval here? Let us display one purchase acquisition. For example, this purchase acquisition. The item number, see here, first item is 10, second is 20, 30. That means here, the meaning of that one is the item number will be, for the first item it is 10, 20, 30. That means it is in the interval of 10. First item is 10. If first item is 10, second will be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Okay. So either we can use this 10, 20, 30 or 1, 2, 3. If you want to use this item number interval as 1, we should make it as 1. But in standard SAP, this is 10 actually. Okay. So that is the meaning of this item number. That is number of item numbers. Next thing is the number range of purchasing document and whether the number range is internal or external. So where is that setup here? So let me go back here. See number range internal here. See if I go here, see here 01. See 01 is the internal number range and 02 is the external number range here. Okay. So that is the number range actually. Okay. So next thing is the field selection. Okay. So field selection means here that is let us go to that field selection. Let me go here. The field selection. Okay. So the field selection, we have separate field selection configuration for all the purchasing documents like purchase acquisition, purchase order, contract, scheduling agreement. Okay, like that. Okay. For example, here, let me take you here. Field selection. Okay. Field selection means define screen layout and document level. See, just now I have shown you here. See this define screen layout at document level. This is the configuration for the field selection for the respective purchasing document. Okay. For example, let us go to this purchase acquisition and I will select define screen layout at document level. I will expand this one. Okay. So let us scroll down here. So NBB is the standard field selection for standard purchase acquisition. Okay, this is the standard field selection for creating purchase acquisitions. Okay, so if I select this and go to details here, I can see various field selection groups like basic data items, supplying plant quantity and price, reference data item, administrative data item. Okay, all this one. For example, let me double click on this basic data item. See here, I can see plant and purchasing group are mandatory fields here. What is the meaning of this one? If I create a purchase acquisition of document type PNB, which is a standard purchase acquisition, so this I have to input the values of plant and purchasing group. Without inputting the values of this plant and purchasing group, I cannot create a purchase acquisition. For example, okay, let me take you to this screen here. Okay, so this is a create purchase acquisition. Okay, I will just go back here. I want to show you this one. So I will not save. For example, here, see the transaction code to create a purchase acquisition is ME51N. So I will go to ME51N. So here, the first thing, to create a purchase acquisition, what we will put 1 R-10001. For example, here. Okay, I will put this here and enter. Just I will press enter. See, you are getting message enter a plant. See, because plant is mandatory. Okay, so we cannot create a purchase acquisition without inputting this value in this field plant, because we have to make sure that for what plant for which plant we are creating a purchase acquisition. So after I input the value of the plant, the next field will be purchasing group here. We can see here. See purchasing group. So if I put the field plant here, then the system will automatically, copy this purchasing group from the material master. Okay. Because in the purchasing view of the material master, we can see this purchasing group will be there actually. Okay. For example, I will put my plant. See here 9110. Okay, 9110. Okay, I will press enter. See, it has copied the purchasing group here automatically. Okay. So next, let us see, which is the next mandatory field here. I will go back here. In this supplying plant, nothing is there actually. So it is only one field will be there. Oh, because we are not using here. Okay, quantity and price. This is important actually. See, in this quantity and price, just in this field selection group, we can see that the fields quantity, unit of measure, and price unit are mandatory. So where is this one? So that is the reason, right? After I input the what do you call that plant here, it is asking me to enter a quantity. Quantity is a mandatory. Yeah, because I cannot create a purchase requisition without this field quantity blank. Okay, so quantity, for example, let us say 5. Okay, so here what fields are mandatory here? Quantity, okay, unit of measure, and price unit. So quantity, unit of measure, price unit. So quantity, where is this quantity? I will put 5. Then unit of measure. Unit of measure means here. See each. Okay, whatever it is. See here. Here unit is okay. So let us see 5. So unit of measure is each. We can see here, right? Each. Then uh, price and price unit, right? Yeah. Price and you can see here. Price and price unit. You can see here. Price and price unit. So let us go back to the create purchase acquisition screen here. Price. Price means here in the valuation here. So if you go to this valuation tab here, I can see the see here price. Valuation price is 865 INR. Okay. Price unit here each. For one piece, the price is 865 rupees. Okay, this is the price and this is the price unit each. Okay, so these are the mandatory fields actually. Okay. Okay, so that is so let us see. Okay, so this field selection group quantity and price is okay done. Deadline monitoring. Let us see here. Yeah, requisition date, delivery date, and release date are mandatory. So where are these fields? Okay, so here let us go to here. Here in this quantities and dates. Just to expand, open this tab page. Quantities and dates. Here I can see here delivery. Here request date. So it is created on today, which is 2nd January 2026. Then release date. So will be the same as the request date, 2nd January, and the delivery date. So these are the mandatory fields actually. So we can see here, see request date, delivery date, and release date. So these dates will be filled automatically by the system. Okay. So let us go back to the I can field define field this field selection group configuration back here. So deadline monitoring is done. GRIR control, nothing is there. Okay, so here everything is optional. Reference data item also everything is optional. Okay, so administrative data also optional. So I think we do not have any more required fields. All are optional. Okay, so enjoy fields here also optional. Okay, everything all the required fields we have filled actually. So this this configuration of define screen layout at document level, this will control which fields are mandatory and which fields are optional when we create the purchasing document. So I have shown you this example for purchase acquisition. The same thing holds good for the other purchasing documents like RFQ or purchase order, contract, or scheduling agreement. Okay, so this is about the field selection. Okay, next thing is so I have already explained you all this one. And here one more thing actually, which preceding documents are allowed. Okay, so let me explain you little bit more details about this, which preceding documents are allowed. For example, here if I go to the document types here, I think I already explained you. So let me just I will go more details, little bit more details into this one. So here, for example, I will select this purchase acquisition standard NB. Here link purchase acquisition document type here. Okay, so this is for purchase requisition, right? So we will do one thing. So I will go back here. Okay, so yeah, here only we can see here. Okay, so let me expand this one, NB. Okay, I will go to this, link purchase requisition document here. I will double click here. So here, see, here this is purchasing document, and here we can see here purchase requisition. See here, this is the whatever the item categories, the data you are seeing here are for purchase requisition, and whatever the data you are seeing to the left is for purchasing document or purchase order. See here, purchase order. So here, what is the meaning of this one? I have selected. Okay, let me go to this, standard purchase requisition NB. Okay, I will select this one, standard purchase requisition. Okay, so I will double click on this link purchase requisition here. Let me, just, go scroll down a little bit here. I will scroll down here little bit, scroll down. So I see here. So, let us, take up this standard purchase order, because, normally, we are creating a purchase order of a, that is, standard purchase order document type NB. Okay. So here for this purchase, PO document type NB standard PO, I can see here item category standard. Here, see standard, and here to the right side I can see item category is here standard also. This is for purchase acquisition. That means, from a purchase acquisition of document type NB with item category standard, I can create a purchase order of item category standard. This is one option. Second option here, see the second here. Okay, for the same here, second. Okay, I will just select the second line here. What is the meaning of this one? So from a purchase acquisition of document type NB, which is a standard purchase acquisition with item category standard, I can create a purchase order of document type NB and item category K. Okay, this is combined here. The third one. What is the meaning of the third one? From a purchase acquisition of item category standard, I can create a purchase order, standard purchase order of document type NB and item category subcontracting L. Third one. Fourth one here. The meaning of fourth one here is from a purchase acquisition of document type NB, which is a standard purchase acquisition with item category blank or standard, I can create a purchase order of document type NB, which is a standard purchase order with item category yes. That means the meaning of this one is, if I have a purchase acquisition with item category standard, here, item category standard, I can create a standard purchase order of with item category standard, consignment, subcontracting, or third party. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. Again, I will tell you, if I have a purchase acquisition of document type PNB, which is a standard, if I have a standard purchase acquisition of document type PNB with item category standard blank, I can create a standard purchase order with item category standard, consignment, subcontracting, and third party. That is the meaning of, which preceding, document types or item categories are linked. So this is, this is all about the document types in purchasing. Okay, so I have explained you all the details here. In the next video, right, we will take up the next topic actually. So how the item categories and account assignment categories are linked, and also after that one, I will make a separate video on creating our own document type for purchase acquisition and test the same. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video with the next topic of combination of the item categories and account assignment categories. See you till then. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks again.